Good morning. Don't mind my hair. I've just had to do a makeup. So it is Thursday morning. We had an average night's sleep, sharing a room with this one. It's not ideal. We have a character breakfast today at 8:15. It's currently 7:10, so I want to be leaving in like the next like 10ish minutes. Obviously we've got to walk from our hotel to the parks, and obviously you've got to go through like bag check and all that jazz, and I'm hoping we'll be able to spend some time taking some photos outside the castle with no one about, because if you can't, then I've been mugged off by the 8:15 breakfast. And also I'm a bit two minds on whether or not this is a good idea, because we miss extra magic hours, because extra magic hours are 8:30 to 9:30, and obviously breakfast is at 8:15. And so when I did book it, I did think about cancelling it, because obviously I don't want to miss extra magic hours, but we do get to meet characters, and I think that'd be more beneficial for Ellis right this very second in time. So yeah, and we're looking forward to it. Just getting all our bags ready. And we have matching babies. Can I see your jumper? We've got Quinn wearing this jumper here, and Ellis is also wearing the same jumper. So exciting. Daddy is not wearing a matching jumper, and I'm just wearing a t-shirt at the minute. So yeah, right, I'll check back in with you when we are on the way. So peaceful.
Oh!
Bag check, bag check. Breakfast opens at 8 o'clock. It's 8:22, which is not ideal, but it is what it is. I thought that we'd be able to get to the front of the park for now and then get through the door maybe at 8, but that's not the case. Oh well. But yeah. Oh well. 20 minutes. We're cold. We're coming to the Marvel Hotel while still waiting. It's very jazzy in here. Very fancy. Well, we went into the Marvel Hotel, came out with 10 minutes to spare, or 10 to 8, and then opened the gates, so they're liars. But yeah, we're in now. Just walking. I want a Starbucks, but as we're going to go for breakfast, there's no point. It's not open either. Nice day. Red sky in the morning. Check this morning. Uh-oh. Whoa. Hoping we can take some photos outside the castle without too many people there.
Hopefully we're the only ones that have booked the 8:15 breakfast.
Oh yeah, I'll be there.
That's the dream. How you feeling? Whoa! Who was that? Jessie. Whoa! And here we go. Here's the Disney Hotel. Here's little Ellis. There's a lunatic dancing in the background. So, where did we go? That is the question.
I'll ask someone.
I am starved. Yeah, we don't know what characters we're going to meet today. We initially thought it was going to be the Fab Five, but under closer inspection, we think it might be Geppetto. And all of the films I've not trained Ellis in watching yet. Tigger and Eeyore. Whew, saved. But yes, we're gonna go in now, and then the next time you see us, we'll be stuffing our face. Oh.
I want to get like an annual pass without the Euro, so I'm like, I can't do it.
I know. I love these illustrations. I really like them. And last one, just in case you were wondering. Oh, here we go.
We are in the park. Whee! Whee! Not too many people here, obviously it's breakfast, so it's not going to be billions of people. I'm hoping we get a really nice photo of all of us outside the castle before we have breakfast, before it gets too busy. Yay! Hi, Blue. photo. I'm going to say hello. Yay! You go, cheese! Look at you!
How happy you are!
Yay!
Seriously?
Do you like Peter Pan? Do you like Peter Pan?
Yeah.
Or do you like Captain Hook?
Captain Hook as well.
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Ah, very nice.
Thank you. Say bye.
Thank you, Pinocchio.
So we're having breakfast at the Plaza. These are plant-based sausages. So potatoes, beans and mushrooms, and Ellis has some cereal and then asked them some soya milk in a cup. Who is that, Ellis?
Tigger.
Yeah! Do you love Tigger? Yeah? Does he bounce, bounce, bounce?
Can you bounce, bounce, bounce?
You show Tigger how much you bounce. Whoa! Give a hug. Oh! Say thank you. Thank you. Bye. Oh, should we get down and give a hug and a photo, Ellis? Ah. Ah, you look at Daddy and take a photo. Ah, she loves Donald's. Do you love Daisy? Yeah.
See if we can see Mummy. No, we can't. Whoa!
To the book.
Hello. I dusted the dust off this hat and got it out for a picture with Mickey just now, which was fantastic. We are just on our way to find somewhere to sit down and have a drink. Ellis is going to have some food, and then we're going to make a plan of action of what to do next. I'll tell you what, vlogging is exceptionally easy when you've got some ridiculous hat on your head, because people are looking at you anyway. But yeah, it's been really good. We had a good interaction with Mickey, and we got some great pictures. But we're gonna make our way back now. Yeah, just because it's been quite a hectic morning. I think we all need to sit down. Okay, so we've given Ellis and Quinn some food and drink. All right for them. We're now on our way to Frontierland. We're gonna go watch the Lion King show at about 12:15. So we've got about 20 minutes to get there with 2 kids. That's about just enough time. We're also looking to get me and Caroline a drink of something with caffeine in. But yes, Lion King right now. Yeah, what we get? Yes. Hiya.
But the sun rolling high, it's the fire's got
Crash. I'm just gonna fix this,
So we have apparently just had to sit down on Main Street having a hot dog from Casey's Corner. Casey's Corner now do plant-based sausage roll, not sorry, hot dogs, but annoyingly they do with chilli on it, which is fine, but I didn't really fancy chilli, so I asked if I could have a classic without the chilli on, and they said no, you're going to do a plain one, and you've got to add the mustard and ketchup on yourself. We're doing Dijon mustard, not American mustard, so therefore, oh, no thank you, it's rubbish, I don't want that on my food. So therefore it's a bit, I haven't had any mustard, so that's a bit disappointing. But it's good they've got a vegan option though at last. True that. And Ellis is having some of his snack box. There he is. Gobbling out.
Bread and sausage. Mummy is with Quinn, so me and Ellis are taking the opportunity to come on the carousel. Are you gonna have fun? You gonna have fun?
Yeah. It's gonna move.
It's gonna move? So I put my strap on? Okay, I'll do that now. Can you stroke your horse? That's nice. You want to go away? You don't like it? Should we go and find Mummy? Take a picture of you with things and see what else you like.
So these two are going off to do their story time boats again. They're going to sit here and wait for the parade to start building up. What do you do?
On his cheek.
We're sat here by a small world. It's 20 to 5, the parade is at 5:30, but this is the only chance we're going to get to see the parade because tomorrow we're going to be at studios and we leave on Saturday at 6, so we're not going to get a chance to see it then. So I want a good spot, so we're going to stake our claim now and I'm just going to sit here. Ellis, you can see the boats, you're going to go to sleep. It's been a blinking long day for him. Unfortunately for him, we've got to stay here. Well, we've got to see the drone fireworks at 10 o'clock.
We've got to.
We've got to. So we're going to see the plan of action is we're going to see the parade, then go back to the hotel room and get like ready for bed kind of thing, like get warm clothes on, steal a towel to use as a blanket because we forgot to bring a blanket with us, and then get like Quinn in her like sleeping bag and things like that. So get like super warm, super comfy, then come back out again to see the shows and the fireworks because otherwise we'll miss it again and we don't want to miss it. So yeah, that's the plan. Parade has started. Looking very well. That's Peter Pan! Give him a big wave! Big wave, Peter Pan! Oh, we're gonna go through fire! Oh.
Dip your chips into the sauce, that's tomato sauce. Yummy.
Someone's smoking the marijuana. So we have just had pasta for dinner. We hoped that McDonald's would do the McPlant burger here, but alas, they do not.
I mean, We hoped. We already knew the answer.
I knew
we
they didn't, but
hoped.
you wanted them to.
I hoped.
They had an advert on the city screens that they've got. Yeah, they did say they had the veggie wrap, but I couldn't find it on the screen, and I got annoyed and gave up. So we had the pasta Neapolitan. Was it
Tomato pasta.
Neapolitan. I don't know what it's called. Which was nice enough. It was a bit very basic. Oh, Quinn, you were just asleep. What's happened? It was very basic, but it was edible. And now we're heading back to our room now. And I mentioned we're going to get ourselves warm and then head back out again to see the fireworks. Right, screaming baby. Twin is in her sleeping bag. Hiya!
Yeah.
And Ellis is in his fleecy, waterproof thingy-majiggy. Sean is the same. As am I. Right, we're just getting ready. We're going to go in a memento. See, we have two very excited babies for the fireworks. Sean and I went to get hot chocolates from Starbucks, and
Tastes like nothing.
they are not hot chocolates. They are hot oat milk, and I had to get them both redone twice because the first hot chocolate I was given was a cold chocolate. There was not 1 ounce of heat in that, and the second one had whipped cream on it, and I said I don't want whipped cream. So and now they don't taste very nice, so that's fun. I'm gonna spend €16 on Starbucks. So queue times for pretty much everything is 5 minutes. Obviously it's 8:50, so we've got an hour to go before the first firework drone show. Obviously we've got the babies with us, but we're going to go single rider. I think it's just more embarrassing because we're together. Other people just do it all, like your brother does it with his girlfriend. They went single rider without, when they could have gone together just so they could get on the ride.
But it's because we don't know any different. We've always gone together.
Look at this slow camera. But yeah, we're going to go on Big Thunder Mountain and then see how we feel about Hyperspace Mountain. But having on a roller coaster like in over a year, so I'm scared.
À tous les cowboys, on souhaite un joyeux anniversaire au cowboy Kevin. Yeah!
Well, that was loads of fun. I've forgotten how good it was. We didn't go on Thunder Mountain last year, obviously, because Ellis was only 2. I was thinking about taking him this year. Obviously, because he's older, I thought maybe he could handle it, but I'm glad I haven't, because yeah, I don't think it's for him. Yeah, I think he's still a bit too small for how bumpy he is. And the most of the roller coasters he's ever done is like Slinky Dog. So yeah, I don't think the Big Thunder Mountain will be done this year by him, but hopefully if the Eurostar sorts itself out and becomes direct again next year, then we can go on it with him next year, because me and Sean are not travelling here without the direct Eurostar, because flying is too much faff and all the train connections are just the worst. So yeah, so right, let's hope so. Sean's just gone on now to do his single rider, and then once he's off we'll go and wait for the drone show.